Meaning of flagon.
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 Flagon. A flagon is a large container, typically made of metal or pottery, used for holding and serving liquids, especially alcoholic beverages such as wine or beer. It usually has a handle and a spout for pouring. Flagons were commonly used in historical times when people gathered together for celebrations or feasts. Today, they are still used in some traditional settings or for decorative purposes. Overall, a flagon is a vessel that serves the practical purpose of holding and dispensing liquids while also having cultural and historical significance.